Welcome. Film is a WIEPPO S5 and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm just going to use settings as an example. And once you have it open and visible, what you want to do is hold power key and volume down. You will have the sound and minimization of the screenshot, and there it is, it's now captured. Now there's also sometimes another way, by holding the power key, and you will see it right here, screenshot, so you can tap on it, but as you probably already gathered, it's a little bit less convenient. You have to hold the power key and select it. Well, this is just a quick shortcut, power key and the volume down. Now, whenever you capture that screenshot, it will automatically be saved in your photo gallery, so let's open that up. And there we go. So as you can see, I have only two screenshots, and there they are. So let us see how it captures a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.